Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got a little box of goodies. Oh, I'm gonna cut my own head off there. Hold on. Oh, this is so irritating. Anyway, I got a little box of goodies from NYX. It says, thank you for your order. Here is your NYX professional makeup package containing all your new products. Join our community on Instagram at NYXcosmetics_UK or like us on Facebook. So I just got a couple of bits to try. So I've got the Hydra Touch Primer Base. This is enhance your complexion with Hydra Touch Primer. Our primer is infused with calamine, green tea and ginseng root extract to create the perfect canvas and give your skin a radiant boost. Let's have a sniffage. That smells delicious. Ooh, puts like a barrier. I will give that a go tomorrow. Alright, this is what I'm so excited for. I always wanted to do that. These are the metallic glitter paillettes. Oh god, you're not going to be able to see how holographic they are. So they're the new glitters. This one is in Beauty Beam. This one is in Lumi Light. Oh, come on. Hopefully showing you how, thank you, how holographic they are. And this one is Style Star, I think. It's really dark to see. So this is like, can you see? Oh, I bet you won't be able to see this one because it's so black. It needs some light to reflect. Let me see if I can get some light. I don't think. A little bit, I think. Okay, so I've got some of the NYX glitter primer, so they're glitter glue. And I'm just gonna pop some on my arm. Have a look and see what colour each of them are. So the first one, they've all got a little protective seal. So this one is Beauty Beam. Let me just, oh look, you can't see. Okay. That's like the tiniest swatch known to man. Okay, because of my absolutely hideous swatching going on there, I have refilmed this for you so you can get a better idea of what the colours actually look like. And I've done it in some sunlight so you can see most of the reflex as well. Alright, here it is. So that one there is the Style Star. I'm trying to get into light so you can see like the holographic, all the different flecks. Then we've got Beauty Beam. Just turn my arm. and then Lumi Lights. Right, the Lumi Lights, oh, you're not picking up. It's just looking gold, and you can see the odd sparkle. But that has got like more of the iridescent. So, and I have put it on my eyes, and obviously all three, especially this Lumi Lights though, depends on what colour you put them over, depends on what colour it comes out. So the Lumi Lights, I put it over a dark colour, and it really brought out the green flecks in it, if that makes sense. I will still do a look with it at some point, but I thought I'd just come and show you a proper swatch. You know what? Thanks for watching. I know that my original swatches did not turn out very good at all, but you know, we got there in the end. I did them in the sunlight. We got to see how beautiful they really are, and I promise I will do a look with them at some point when I get my shit together. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!